Hello everyone, it's Daniel here from PaintAccess. It's a sunny Sydney. We are on a beautiful backyard and very quick and informative review about one of the lightest professional paint sprayer on the market. That's in our case, it's a Graco 650, as you can see here. This is already updated pump from range from 190 up to 505. That's already different pump. So it's a different family of the pump. It has a dedicated sleeve inside for extra protection. This particular paint spray is designed for pure professionals. It comes with a 1.8 horsepower brushless engine. Also, it supports 0.29 tip. It's the diameter of the orifice for all types of acrylic membranes, so you can do roofs, no dramas. We're going to go a quick review what it comes in the bag, and just the overall video. I'll connect 15-meter hose all together and we'll just spray a little bit with the water. Guys, just want to point to a very cool thing. It comes with a Pro Guard. So for example, if you are using generator or if your line is not stable, I'm talking about power line, this is very good stabilizer, already comes together in the box. Okay, let's get started. Let me just show you what it comes inside. Okay, it's a Pro Contractor gun equipped with a 517 tip. Nice. Beautifully packaged TSL oil. We recommend every 3 buckets of paint to use this oil. Filter will screw this on. I'll just put this into the water like this. Bam. You have some wrenches, additional tip, which is 315 LP, low pressure. As already mentioned, oil, couple of connectors. In our case, it's already connected with the European one, so we'll just change to Australian plug. Nice 3 pins. Done. Okay, so we'll just move this box out. We're going to hook to the power. Done. As I didn't mention, but it's a very good point. You can attach two guns, 2 lines. So we're going to attach to this one. But if you're running big team, you can easily buy adapter and another hose, another gun. We sell it. We can help you as well. Pretty cool equip knife. Equip is a pretty cool accessory, which it's a very popular around painters. As I mentioned, guys, comes with a 15-meter hose. Nice and easy. It doesn't matter which side you're going to connect. So when you tie these nuts, make sure that you apply decent pressure, not super crazy, because you're working with 3000 psi. And on another side of the gun, you need 2 wrenches, because it's a swivel. It rotates, so you need to first. I'm just doing it manually. I'm gonna keep it like this. Should be pretty tight as well. Remember, we work with a high pressure. Yeah, pretty cool. We're going to take these things away. Also, this is a pump replacement system. It's called Pro Connect. If something happened on your side, I don't know, just anything could go because it's the pump, it's a cylinder and a piston inside. You can easily replace with another one, and you're not losing realistically any time on the side. So this is very cool thing. We'll take this paper out. Now you always start with the priming mode. First we need to switch, make sure that it's off, on. Now we're going to prime sprayer. So priming, it's a process when product goes up and then it's dispersing through the small pipe around. Basically you're just taking this air out, and it's easier for a pump to get into the hose. So always start with the priming. Okay, we can see this, in our case it's water, in your case it would be paint, it's primed. Now we're switching into the spraying mode. So this is particular priming knob or priming valve. It's a diverter, it's a few names around. Basically you click into the spraying mode, into the horizontal, the product goes into your line. So now we're going to, with the pressure regulator, put power on. I'll just stop for a second. Once you see this hose vibrates, that means the product goes through the line, so you have to wait a little bit until the product will appear right to the end of the hose, right into your gun. Okay, so now it has a smart control as well. So it's now 1400 psi, it's around half, so maximum it would be 3000 psi. We don't want this pressure for low pressure tip because it's a new. They work around 1200 to 1500 psi. So we just put right on the half. I'll press the trigger. Okay. So now pressure will drop to 1400. We can probably go a little bit lower as well. And here you can see, guys, a green zone and blue zone. So blue zone, it's for older generation tips. I mean, they're not older, but they still exist. And for the lower pressure tips, you work on the green zone. That's the would be yellow and green. Very simple. It has also a fast flush feature. We'll demonstrate this in a minute. But off you go. We connected. Couple of minutes and you're ready for paint. Look, I'm not gonna provide lesson at this particular moment, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Guys, once you finish with your product, and I forgot one very important point. With the 650, it's the lightest sprayer in its class. I think it's a 32 or 34 kilos. It's a very, very light for this power, super power. You can easily go on a roof. If you can get another 15-meter hose, you can join, or you can just buy full length, 30 meters. Your paint sprayer can stay on the ground, pump the paint up, and you can easily climb on the roof and paint the roof. Always wear harnesses, all safety is first. Okay, guys, the next step, I'm going to show you how to clean your paint sprayer properly. Imagine, look, we exercise with the water, but in your case, you need to take paint out and get a clear water. To clean this paint sprayer, throughout, you'll probably need around 3 buckets. Okay, first, you have plenty of paint in your line, so you need to take the paint back to the gun, you have to get paint back to the bucket, or you can just clean with the water. Doesn't matter, it depends. So let's just now you have pressure in your gun. So what you need to do, you need to get another clean bucket. I'm going to use one, and you need to rinse actual tip. So you have to press trigger, wash this side, then you turn tip and wash. Now remember, you have lots of pressure, so if I'll press the trigger, it will spill. So what you need to do, you need to release pressure a little bit from here, like this, and then press the trigger. And you need to run through the tip, probably, I don't know, 20-30 seconds, then you can take tip out, it's clean. again, remember, you have pressure again, so you don't want to press the trigger. If you press the trigger, I can actually demonstrate what's going to happen. Have a look. So I'll just go a little bit far. I'll press the trigger and it will splash. Have a look. See? You don't want to do this. So to release pressure, you're using this diverter or priming valve. And then you press the trigger, because you don't have a pressure in your line. Okay? And then you can put it back into the spraying mode. Have a look. You need to clean for at least 2-3 buckets until you see 100% clear water. And here you can use the flush mode switch. This is very, very cool feature because it washes fast. I don't know, maybe 10 times faster or 7 times faster roughly. Now, once you clean 100% line, you need to switch into the priming mode and make sure from a priming hose you have exactly the same clear water. Okay, once you've done cleaning, what the next step, you have to protect, put pump armor. Oba. So what we are doing, we are just getting water out, getting pump armor. It doesn't come together with the spray, but we sell it, and you can buy in any shop, Dulux, Topman's, bottle. You can get 4-liter container. It probably would be easier. So you have to submerge 100% into suction tube. You have to press into the priming mode. Priming mode, yeah. And then, once you see blue stuff coming out from priming hose, that means you have already your liquid inside in the pump. Have a look. Okay, pump arm already in the system. That's it. Next, very, very important point. I'll show you right in a second. You have to lubricate your pump. Because when it's sitting in the garage or storage, we're actually selling this very, very nice tube for oiling, because it's a piston there. So you just have to get a couple of, just right inside there on the piston. And by gravity, as you can see, oil goes down into the actual cylinder. Your sprayer is ready for storage. It's fully protected, all the components. Guys, hopefully this video was very, very informative. If you want to get some other ones, please let us know. Please comment below. I really appreciate your business and support. Cheers, guys.